What's going on, everybody? It's Kent here with Muskoka Property Care. If you're new to the channel, which you probably are because we're new to YouTube, we are a lawn, landscape, and snow removal company based out of Muskoka, Ontario, Canada. Today's video is a little different. It goes with our office and laundry room reno, and today we are going to change out a receptacle or a plug or whatever you'd like to call it. First off, this isn't a do-it-yourself video. It's not teaching you anything, so please don't use my advice to do it yourself. Please hire a licensed electrician. Now, after that legal disclaimer, on to the good stuff. I did go to school as a power line technician, and I also worked in the electrical trade as an electrician for 5 years. Didn't do any talking in the video itself, so I'm going to do a little bit of voiceover just to explain what I'm doing and kind of what I'm showing you in the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe. So after you've tested your receptacle and made sure there's no power to it, you can go ahead and take the cover off. And then there will be 2 screws holding the plug to the box itself. I just checked it again to make sure that it was all dead. Good thing to do. Here I'm just taking out the screws that are holding it to the box. Now this is sped up 2 times, that's why it looks fast. And there we go. Okay, so I am just taking off the wires from the old receptacle. It was a washing machine circuit, so it is a dedicated circuit, meaning it's only supposed to have the 1 wire coming to the box, which consists of a hot wire, which is your black, and your white wire is your neutral. Now, I'm just installing the new receptacle. Your hot wire should always go to the right side, the dark screws, and your white wire should always go to your lighter colored screws, which is your neutral side. Now the receptacle will work if this is backwards, but if you're plugging in any type of motor, like this washing machine, or a vacuum cleaner, reverse polarity can really hurt those pieces of household equipment. My head's in the way right now because I just discovered that the ground wire has been cut at the box itself. So I just got a new piece of ground wire that I'm going to install. It is attached with a red Robertson screwdriver, and the box screw is way back there in the back of the box. Pretty important though to have your ground wire attached to your receptacle. So that's attached. Now we're going to attach it to the receptacle itself. And you can see that's all attached now. We push it back into the box. Here I'm just tucking the wires in, making it a little easier. And we'll tighten it back down to the box with a green Robertson screwdriver. And here I had to go get a new screw for the box because this receptacle is missing one, as you can see in the bottom there. Now we're going to speed through this a little bit. And there we are, all tightened down. And we're just putting the cover plate on. Now time to turn on the breaker and test our work. Alright, now that we've tested all that, time to plug in the washer, turn it on, and we are good to go. Thanks for watching, everybody, and please like and subscribe for more.